a super review. We are unboxing the PS5. Welcome back to the beautiful channel. My name is Sharina Awori. Today I'm doing a super review. We are unboxing the PS5 Play like never before. 825 GB. This is brand new. Let me show you what's inside this. I'm unboxing, so excuse my French, excuse me for anything. I think you're supposed to unbox like this. Yeah. Godfrey! This is so beautiful. The packaging is amazing, you guys. It's amazing. It's amazing. First we have a book. I think it's for instruction. Do people have time to read this? I don't have time. But if you have time, you can read. Then here we are. The packaging, as I told you, is amazing. Check this out. Great. Let me treat this like a child. Let me treat this like a baby. So we still have lots and lots of things to do. We have the charger. We still have another booklet. Too much. Then when we open here, we have something here. Yeah, you know what that is. And we have another cable for our items. Then is it done? Oh, you don't get done. So here we are. But this one has a safety guide for your PS5, so it's worth reading. Yeah. Those who know the feeling, this is the baby. This is the baby of the day. I know my guys who love to play the game. Some of them are just here, contemplating, looking around, but this is the real deal. If you have this, you are good to go. How they set it up, to connect to your screen, to connect to everywhere you have to use it from. It is all up to you, but it's super heavy, and the packaging is quite amazing. I expected to get headsets. I don't know. Why did I expect headsets? Steve, why did I expect headsets? But this is how our PS5 actually looks like. Then we have these for us here. Then we have this. So you are good to go. How much this costed, you can check out in our section below. You understand how to get it. You can get it anywhere in the world, but that was my unboxing for this item. I hope if you love it, you can get it. If you don't have money, at least you saw the unboxing. My name is Sharina. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get to watch more videos from my channel. Steve on the camera. Thank you so much.